Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, we will talk about how you can export the beautiful charts in in and basically HTML or PNG files. Okay, so in this video, I will show it to you how you can export the chart into the HTML. Okay, in Python. So for example, I am using the library plotly.express in order to draw this graph. Okay, to save it inside your local directory, okay, you need to write this command, that is fig dot write html, and give the location where you want with .html extension to save this file. Okay, so if I execute this line, and here you can see that this basically HTML file is saved. Here you can see that inside my local directory. And the second thing is how you can save this as an PNG, okay, in an easy way after saving this in HTML. Okay, so here on the top here you can see that this is the icon, that is download plot as PNG. Okay, so click on this. If you basically this is the extension of Chrome. Okay, and the extension name is basically this one. Here you can see that we can also this. So if this button is not visible to you, you can download the screenshot of the whole page extension. Okay, I will show it to you the name exactly. Click on this. After clicking here you can see that the image file is downloaded, and this extension name is go full page screen capture. Okay, this one. So you can also install this extension inside your browser, and after that click on this and the PNG file will be also downloaded. So in this video you learn basically about two things in order to download to export the chart in the .html extension, and how you can basically save this as an PHP in HD quality also. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, on the video description link you can click on that specific link in order to ask your question, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed, have a nice day.